I did not come here. He called me here.
Oh, I see. So Ratul asked you to come and you came rushing.
Ratul, what have you done?
Hey, sorry.
Step aside. I say
Sorry.
step aside. What sorry?
Huh?
You did the right thing. Awesome.
Oh,
Now
thank
look,
you.
Nipa. My brother-in-law remembered to get you the perfect perfume. After all, he saw how upset you were the other day.
No, actually, she likes perfume, so. Oh. No, I mean Nipa likes it.
Yes. Nipa.
Okay, I hope all pain have disappeared from my Nipa's life. Last time you lost your temper at me and went off to your uncle's house because of a perfume.
Okay, fine. We have a lot of pending work, or have you all forgotten that? We have to arrange a wedding. We have a lot of pending work. Come on, everyone, let's go inside.
Hey,
Come.
can someone please carry
Yes,
this?
Ratul will carry it.
Yes, of course.
Yes, come on. Sandy, what
Tell
are you
me.
thinking? At the rate this boy is going, he will wipe me out in a few days.
No, I mean to say you don't listen to me.
Nipa, come here. Tell me, how do you feel after getting the first gift from Ratul? Oh, the things you say.
Oh, come on, Nanda. An expensive perfume is enough to make Nipa happy.
Oh, how do I explain it to them? There is a difference between getting a perfume from someone and getting a perfume from one's would-be husband. You didn't understand, right? Listen. Come, I will tell you.
Seriously, Lord, am I out of my mind? Ratul is Nipa's would-be husband. He gifted her a perfume he can gift her. On seeing that, why am I thinking about the sari gifted by Mr. Bittergourd? Strange! Is Mr. Bittergourd my husband? He doesn't even accept our marriage. I can't handle this. Lord, please help me to calm down.
We met Hashu's sister after so long. I was so pleased. What about you? What is this? It's evening and no one has switched on the lights yet? Sulata? Sulata!
I was guessing that there was something for us. So tell me, who planned all this? I'm sure this is Mithai's plan.
No, grandfather. It's not just my plan. All of us planned it together. Just look around properly. We have arranged your wedding with grandmother once again. See how much preparation we have done.
No, that is absolutely not possible. I won't listen to you. I can't do this childish act at this age.
See what mom is saying?
Hey, why are you laughing? Just tell them to stop this right away.
How will I stop them, Sushma? I'm myself so excited to see all these things. Just think, how many years ago we both met each other on this day. And today, we have such a big family. Now, if they won't be excited about us, then who will? Hey, Cookie! Come here. So what do you want? You will marry your father off in this outfit?
Just listen to what your father is saying, Opa.
Oh, mother, we won't listen to anything you say today. Hey, Mithai, hold grandma tightly. Hey, Sulata, come on.
Come.
Let's go inside.
Come, grandmother.
Hello, Grandpa's team.
What?
Are we going to just stand and watch? We have to dress up Grandpa. Let's go, Brutin. Come, Dad. Let's go.
Okay.
I don't know how this family tolerates so much noise. No one gets joy without causing disturbance.
Auntie, I'm managing here. You bring grandmother. Priest, I hope all the arrangements are done. We are bringing the groom and
There
the
will
bride.
be an exchange of garlands and all the wedding rituals will be followed, okay?
Oh no, I didn't bring the rice paddy for the engagement. I'll just get it.
What do you mean by engagement? Who will bless mom and dad?
My goodness. See what happened.
Hey!
PP?
Huh?
Why is there so much hustle here? Can't your genius rest unless she creates some trouble?
Aunt Appa!
Yes?
What is he saying? I know what is he saying. It means trouble. What did I do? What I have done? Tell me what I have done. I have not done anything.
Oh, please. Will the two of you stop? This is not the time to discuss all this. Can't you see all the arrangements are done? Okay, Sulata, where is the groom?
Huh?
The groom has not yet come. Hey, Mithai, have you brought the conch? Where is it?
I was just about to make a big mistake.
Take away, big-hearted people will take the bride with them. Take away, big-hearted people will take the bride with them.
Step aside, please. Come here. Yeah, this side.
So handsome.
Take
Very
away,
handsome.
big-hearted people
Be
will
careful.
take the bride with them. Okay, we are ready. Where is the bride?
Where is she? Where is she?
We would like to see who looks better.
Yes.
Yeah.
We will win. We will win. Now everyone must take a look at our bride. You cannot take your eyes away from her.
What have you all started? And look at you, you're standing there and laughing.
Now look, it's my fault. Amresh,
Yes, tell me.
I can't tear away my eyes from your mother. It feels as though my beloved is back.
With the same wish, we too hand over grandpa to grandma.
Yes.
Be quiet. Neeta and Ratul are going to get engaged, and you want to see the marriage of an old couple?
Amu, Lata. See who has come. Animesh, please come.
Hey, what a surprise. Dad, you told me you will be coming tomorrow.
Oh no. How can we not come to Uncle and Aunt's wedding? Is that even possible?
Absolutely. Please come in. Please.
Yes.
Come.
Come, Sushmita.
Namaste.
See how beautiful mother looks today.
Priest, please check. Are we getting late for the wedding or not?
Sure, you too. Are you two involved in all this?
Why, mother? Only your younger son can be excited all the time. Yes, today is my father and mother's wedding. Come on, let's start. Exchange the garlands. Come on.
Yes, come on.
Grandpa,
let's
come
start.
here. Come here.
Grandpa,
Be careful.
careful, huh?
Yes.
How? So, what
You
must
need
we
help.
do
Change
now?
the garland.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Mom. Come on, Dad.
Very good. Once again.
Yes. One more time.
Once again.
Yes, repeat. Come on.
Come on, Mom. Wow. One more time.
Repeat.
Once again. Oh, very good. Wow. Very good. Hey.
What is the matter with you, Mithai? Lord, why am I continually thinking about Mr. Bittergourd? Oof, intolerable.
Yeah. Woo. Hey, where's Mithai?
Mithai?
Huh?
Mithai?
Mithai,
I'm
right here. I'm here. Tell me, what must I do? Tell me.
Now we must perform the wedding ritual.
No, 1 minute. Amresh.
Yes.
Why this wedding ritual after the exchange of garlands?
Oh, come on. Is mom saying that for the first time? Come on, we can break the rules sometimes. Come on, start.
Ratul, remember one thing. Your wedding should be in a sequence. Everything should be done properly. Though, of course, you constantly stare at Nipa.
Brother. Hey, Brother Rajiv. Why do you keep embarrassing me in front of everyone?
No.
Why?
My wish. I would like to propose something. Now, what is it? There is going to be a competition during the rituals, okay? For how long father can look at our mother and how long can mother look at father.
Yeah.
And that's the competition. So do you all agree?
Pratin, there is no question of your mother-in-law winning this competition.
tell us what?
Hey, I have been looking at her beautiful face all my life. And you have nothing to do but shout.
Seriously? Can you just stop saying all this? Aren't you ashamed to sing all of this in front of your sons, daughter-in-laws and grandchildren? Hey, what else is left? Finish it quickly.
No, mother. There is nothing to hurry. Mother, look at father properly. Look at that father. Mother is setting me.
Very funny, huh? Pratin, she's behaving like this because of your support.
What will I do, mother? Father has given me the training. And I gave some of that training to my son-in-law. Here, absolutely correct. Encore. So shall we start?
We will perform the wedding ritual, right? But not like this. We will lower our heads first and then we will shyly lift our heads.
Let's come together, complete the wedding ritual. Yes.
yes.
And this is my job. Grandpa, I will hand over my grandma to you. Do you have any objections?
No, it's done. Once again, I'm ready to take your grandma's responsibility.
Grandfather and grandmother, both of you sit down.
Yes. Come, sit.
Please.
Yes.
Be careful, come on. Okay, let's see. Grandpa, give your hand. Grandma, give your hand. Is it correct, priest?
Yes.
Yes! Okay. Listen, I request all the grandsons and grandson-in-laws and would-be grandson-in-laws and all of you people come this side. Come on, follow me.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Come.
Mithai, come.
Yes.
Hey, come.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
Coming.
Where are you going? Come
Hey,
here.
don't rush.
Come
I'm
here.
coming. Come on. Brother Sid, please join us. Today is a special day. Please come.
Yes. Sit.
Come.
Let me see your hand. Yes, put your hand here.
Yes. We all together make a wish, Grandpa and Grandma, that you together stay happy and healthy together. And with this wish, Grandma, we are handing you over to Grandpa.
With the same wish, we too hand over Grandpa to Grandma.
Excellent. Yes. Really. I haven't seen such a beautiful wedding in my entire life. I'll remember it forever.
Nothing compares to the happiness my family has given me today.
But Grandpa, there is still more to enjoy.
Huh?
Actually, Grandpa, they've arranged a film show for you.
Film?
Can you guess which movie? It's an amazing movie. It will be shown on the television. We will watch it together.
Yes.
Oh no! You know this as well?
Sushma, it's our favorite movie. Clearly, they have done their research. Hey, do you remember? We saw this movie secretly. Come on, switch on the television.
Sometimes I don't understand anything. Yes. Nanda. What? Nanda, I am hungry too.
Right here. Take it.
Yes. Thank you.
Listen, Dad. Did Mom agree to watch cinema with you secretly?
It was not so easy. I had put a lot of effort into that. But my mother was alive then. She did not like all this, but I would drag her with me.
Yes, perfect.
That means, Dad, you two were no less, right?
Later, I was the one who got all the scolding.
Oh no, this is just like my situation.
Okay, Uncle, I wanted to talk to you. My mother-in-law will come to attend tomorrow's engagement.
What? Father?
Yes, my mom is coming. Hey, Uncle Samresh. My mom actually likes to travel at this age. My mom has a religious group. She keeps traveling with them. She has gone to Banaras with them. She will reach Kolkata tomorrow morning. So, actually, my mom is a bit outspoken. She follows all traditions. That is why I actually wanted to say that all the rituals of the engagement should be followed properly.
That's it. Perfect. Ratul, if grandma comes, it means there will be trouble. I don't really like this. She was fine in Kashi. She was chanting the Lord's name. Who told her to come back?
Why are you talking like that, Rajiv? It is good to know that she's coming.
Good news. You will find out very soon. Let her come tomorrow. The minute she sees your Mr. Bittergourd, he is bound to get a scolding.
Okay, listen all. The arrangement of our second marriage went very well. Now we must make the arrangements for Ratul and Nipa's
Yes.
engagement. Before that, we will advise them to how to live a happy married life. We will share our
He's right.
experience.
Fantastic idea, father. Fantastic idea. I mean, Ratul and Nipa will gain knowledge from this discussion, and those who aren't married will also benefit. What do you say? Huh? I have only one thing to say. I mean, there is one formula for a happy marriage, which is listen to your wife wholeheartedly, and you can't blame your wife. You have to always follow her instruction, isn't it?
Is that so? Do you always follow my instructions? Look at that Sulaka. He's such a liar.
Oh, please, Appa, please be quiet. Brudin, you are absolutely right.
Yeah.
But my mantra is a little different.
What is that?
And you know, Brudin, I think husband should have a little bad ear for a happy marriage. You understand, Ratul?
Yes.
Don't take every word of your wife seriously. You should listen, but not everything. And it should enter through one ear and come out from the other.
In and out.
In and out.
Listen to what your brother is saying. What have I told you? Why are you insulting me in front of everyone?
Anyway, everyone is giving me a very good advice. It's really good. Brother Rajiv, won't you say anything to me?
Me?
Yes.
What should I say? Let me tell you since you're insisting. Okay.
Say.
Excuse me. Where is Nandu darling? Here is my Nandu darling. Listen, I have one mantra. Nandu darling, I love you. No. Whether I love her or not, that's not a big deal. But the real matter is that you must make her understand that you love her. I'm done for.
Stop. My son-in-law will die. Please stop,
Hey, Sister
Nanda.
Nanda, please forgive him. Forgive him. Brother-in-law, this is not done. Please apologize to her.
Yes. Nanda, I am sorry. I am sorry on the left and sorry on the right.
You're not serious at all. I know. Next time, if you say anything in front of everyone.
Come on, Nanda. I was just kidding.
Really, Nanda? Are you still a kid? Don't you know how much Rajiv loves you?
What? You. Do you understand all this?
What do you mean? Everyone understands it.
No, actually, you are a bit special.